if y equal to cos x, what is the derivative of this? What is dy by dx? What you should know for this, you know that cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. The other thing is cos of a small value. If a is very small, cos a is 1, and if a is very small, sin a is a. These are two things that we should know to carry out this. Okay, if y equal to cos x, what is dy by dx? When x increases by a small amount dx, when x becomes x plus dx, y becomes y plus dy, because y depends on x. What is cos of a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is y plus dy. Because dx is a very small value and cos of a very small value is 1, so then sine of that small value, sin dx becomes dx. In such case, y plus dy equal to cos x minus sin x into dx. Then because y equal to cos x, these two will be cancelled. Dy equal to minus sin x dx. That means if y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x, I'm sorry for this, y equal to cos x, dy is minus sin dx, sin x dx, then dy by dx here is dy by dx is minus sin x. So if y is equal to cos x, y dash, which means dy by dx, that is equal to minus sin x. We can also prove the other thing, that if y equal to cos ax, y dash, or dy by dx is equal to minus a sin ax. So how do we do that? So let us try to solve that also here. Y is equal to cos ax, then when x changes by a small value, x plus dx, then y also will become y plus dy, then the same drill, actually ax plus a dx, so y plus dy, and then multiply here, cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So in the previous video we have seen that y, when you multiply something with a small value, that also becomes small. When you multiply let us say 0.0001 with 5, the 5 becomes 0.0005, right? In the same way, cos of a into small value is small value, so cos of small value is 1, so it is simply cos ax and its value becomes 1, and its value becomes 1. Sin of a small value is small value, so it is a dx. Then y plus dy is cos ax minus sin ax into a dx. Then y plus dy, and we don't need y here because y equal to cos x, cos ax, then cos ax and y will be cancelled, so dy equal to minus sin ax into a dx. So bring a here, dy by dx equal to minus a sin ax. So the differentiation of cos ax is a into sin ax with a negative sign. So if y equal to cos x, y dash is minus sin x. if y is equal to cos ax, then y dash is minus a sine ax.